Another crystal basin or sink. This one is on quartz, a quartz countertop. And you can see where we have some issues. Right there is some hard water deposits. It doesn't come out with cleaning. Then you can see right here, we've got some on this stopper here. And all in all, the way this is shaped, it doesn't have any water deposits since the water drains evenly right into the drain. But right here, where it can kind of sit and gather, you can see there's a little bit there, a little bit up here where people wash their hands and the water sits. But we are gonna clean that. I'm gonna show you how. And even though this is for my business, it's good to give people an idea of what we're doing in some of the methodologies. That one, scouring stick, Scotch-Brite. This particular blue one, the grit is more, so it's less abrasive. And some microfibers, along with a glass cleaner. It really doesn't matter what kind of glass cleaner you use. And for that matter, you can even use water. But I'm also trying to clean it a little bit more. This goes inert when we're cleaning. The mill might be a little bit higher on the pH, probably like a 12, 11 or 12. As it dries, it goes inert to a neutral pH. I'm gonna spray a little bit. And let's get started. Don't wanna scratch this. Don't wanna damage this. Now, most crystal is somewhat scratch resistant. However, that doesn't mean it won't scratch, so gotta be careful. From different angles, because the way the light shines, you may not be able to see what you're doing. There might be some leftover, and you can see like right there. See if that's better. And on camera, I can probably pick up I can still see something. I don't know if that comes out on camera, but there's a little bit. And now it looks like $1 million. The metals no longer have the hard water deposit. Here no longer has a hard water deposit. Brilliant. Metal is clean. Shiny basin. Just look at that. And it's near perfection.